How to delete favorites on Deezer app. Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode. In today's episode, I'll be showing you the steps on how you can delete your favorites on Deezer app. For that, you'll need to open up your application or launch from the web browser. If you're using a web browser, then type in www.deezer.com. This is going to direct you to the official web page. So once you're on this page, click on the three dot icon located right on top, and as soon as you do that, a list of options appear. So click on desktop site. After that, log in into your account by providing the credential. After you're logged into your account, you'll be directed to the home page, and this is how it's going to look like. Now you'll need to access your favorites. So for that, your like songs are typically found in my library or library section. Look for the like song or a favorite and tap on it. Open your list of like songs. To remove the song from your favorite, swipe left to the song you want to delete. A remove or a delete option should appear. Tap it to the delete song from your favorite. In this way, you can delete your favorites on Deezer app. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.